How to make him see you as the prize he wants to win. When seeking a good relationship, one of the most crucial factors to consider is whether or not your partner values and treasures you. The way you approach each date with a potential future partner sets the tone for that. If you see yourself as a prize he must win, he will seek methods to make you happy. If you regard yourself as a consolation prize, he could not work very hard since he doesn't have to. Which one do you want to be? You just must decide if you want to be the prize he seeks or whether you are content to be a consolation prize. If you want to be his prize, you must present yourself as a high-value woman. I'm a man, and I'm telling you that we must pursue you. In a minute, I'll share some concrete action steps you can take in your interactions with the man you're seeing or with men you meet in the future to start making him pursue. What exactly is the prize? The person with options is often characterized as the prize. They have an inherent sense of self-worth and standards that will be fulfilled. As a result, they have no issue sticking out for what they actually desire. In a relationship, the prize has alternatives in multiple possible partners competing for his or her attention. They have a strong sense of self-esteem, recognize their worth, and believe anyone would be fortunate to be in a relationship with them. More significantly, other people sense the worth of a prize and are willing to pursue it. How to make men chase and pursue you? Having men chase and become the prize to be won entails having a man strive to win your affection, attention, and time. Look scarce and sought after, and once you have his attention, instill fear in him that he will lose you if he undervalues you, because some man out there will value you for what you are worth. You determine your value. Everything begins with you. You must believe in yourself and your abilities. Much of this is about finding the right man for you, someone who you find appealing but who is also compatible with you, someone who emotionally satisfies you and cares about your needs. Master these effective strategies for gaining a man's respect and capturing his attention, but I also propose that you learn about what men seek with women on a deeper emotional level. You may become the prize by adopting these mindsets and 6 secrets we share in this video. 1. You are deserving and beautiful both inside and out. You must believe that you are a fantastic woman. Anyone would be lucky to have you. There's a narrow line between being confident and being self-absorbed. You are not egotistical, but you are conscious of your worth and are devoted to only engaging possible partners who share your perspective. 2. You are not desperate for a man or a relationship. If you are dating, it shows that you want to meet someone with whom you can form a lasting relationship. If you are not treated well, you will not stay. You love yourself enough to walk away from anyone who does not appreciate you, no matter how wonderful you believe the man is. 3. You have boundaries. You meet someone and like them. You get more and more enamored with them as you get to know them better. That is understandable. However, the prize does not abandon who they are in order to rent space in the heart of a possible partner. You may achieve a healthy level of balance in your life. Your sense of self-identity and individuality should not be compromised merely because you are in a relationship. 4. Set a high standard for yourself and keep to them. Don't be frightened of missing out because you set an expectation that the man may not like. All you're doing is shielding yourself from having to deal with poor conduct. 5. When something doesn't work, you graciously move on. Everything ain't for everyone. Some people you like will not feel the same way about you. It's awful, but it's a reality of life. When you understand this, simply go on and take your dignity with you. There's no need to beg or try to find out how to approach them. Identity as the prize is a mentality. It all comes down to visualizing the greatest possibilities and having wonderful dating experiences depending on how you portray yourself to the world. So if you want to be the prize, here's how you must act. Secret number 1. End conversations first. You must be the one to finish the chats, no matter how long he wants to talk. Say goodbye and tell him you'll talk to him later. This keeps you from seeming eager. Let him be a little dissatisfied that you stopped your conversation. That's just right. It increases his desire to see you. Secret number 2. Tell him of the compliments you receive from men. A little jealousy will undoubtedly improve your worth in his eyes. Every time my girlfriend told me about a guy's effort to compliment or hit on her, she suddenly became more beautiful to me. It's some deep psychology that I can't describe, but it works to increase our desire for you. The goal is to make it appear like it was part of a routine conversation and that you did not appreciate the compliment but were simply passing along news of something that happened. Secret number 3, don't always respond to texts immediately. I'm not asking you to play with him here, simply don't answer if you're too busy. You may answer quickly at times, but I want you to teach him to not expect a response right away. He must believe that you are preoccupied with other matters in order for him to pursue you. You want him to know that his feelings are important to you, but not so much that you would drop everything to answer every text or pick up the phone every time he calls. Secret number 4, spend time with your girlfriends, let him know it. You want him to think you have your own life. One way you achieve so is by spending time with your friends and purposefully letting him know about your plans. Those plans may sometimes lead you to places where other guys will be, such as pubs, clubs, the beach, or even parties. This pushes him to respect your boundaries while also making him jealous, because he is aware that men will be present and may approach you, as well as that you will be able to have a nice time without him. This also serves as an indicator to evaluate how well he will respect you, or whether he becomes insecure and starts making unreasonable demands. If he becomes too jealous and starts maltreating you, it is better to know now rather than later, because this is a really negative indicator. Men frequently accuse the women they date of infidelity without providing any evidence. Your Mr. Right will be a secure guy. A little envy is one thing, but not one it gets scary. Secret number 5, enjoy hobbies and spend time alone. Maintain your power and offer yourself some breathing room. You will not spend time with him just because you have no commitments with friends or a job to complete. Let's face it, you need your alone time, so schedule it and tell him of its importance. Spending all of your free time with him is one of the best methods to come off as really eager. Even if he wants to, you should not. Consider your time to be a valuable commodity. It's a treasure that isn't readily available. Secret number 6, cancel or reschedule plans from time to time. You want to make certain that you're dating the right guy, right? Then you want to see how much he enjoys spending time with you. When you cancel plans on occasion, it improves the value of your time together. The next time you go out, he becomes concerned that you may cancel, but when you really go out with him, he feels as if he has won the jackpot. That's exactly what you want, not the other way around. You're his prize. Secret 7, if he hurts your feelings, tell him and then ask for some alone time. Make certain that he is behaving properly. If he does anything that hurts your feelings, tell him and then ask for some alone time. Make him sweat and be scared of losing you. Make him earn your love and approval. Make him worry about losing you and make him do everything he can to keep you interested in seeing him. We have provided a link to a video on the greatest dating and relationship guidelines on how to make men adore you and treat you like the prize to be won in the video description. Watch the video and thank me later.